Welcome back. Turning speech recognition on or off in Windows 10 can be done through the setting menus or the control panel. So here is the most straightforward method. Open the start menu and click on the settings. Select the ease of access. On the left side, scroll down to interaction section and click speech. So under the dictate text and control your device using only your voice, you need to toggle it to turn on. So you will see this message, just click OK. Click next, click next, click next. So now you have to read the following sentence aloud in a natural speaking voice. Peter dictated to his computer he prefers to typing and particularly prefer it to pen and paper. And just click next. And now click next. And you need to enable document review. Click next, next, and click next, next, and skip tutorial. And here you can see that and click on that. The advantage of speech recognition to provides hand-free control for user with mobility issues, increased typing speed through dictation, and allows for multitasking by executing system command via voice. And the most disadvantage is the system may struggle with accuracy due to the background noise or accents, requires an initial training period to recognize your voice, and raise potential privacy concerns regarding audio data. So that's all for the today. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.